Okay, the way you want to apply thermal paste is not a lot, but enough to get the can nice and toasty. So you want to do like, I usually do the P, but I'm gonna do the Pro Strats. There. Now, Reddit's gonna hate that thermal paste application. Look at it. Oh, you're using your mobile.
Yeah, my mobile has more storage.
My mobile has plenty. Okay, so now you put the sausage on there, and then you need to wait. Oh, that's the Sata side. Okay, there's the. Oh no. Is it actually like applicating the thermal paste? Okay, good. Now you want to weigh it down so that it makes contact.
Like rest against the power supply. There you go. Oh.
Okay. There
we go.
Perfect. Now you want to plug in your system here with a power cable. We don't have any fans. Okay, I've got a Nocto fan here.
It seemed actually surprisingly like acceptant of the fact that it didn't have a CPU fan.
Okay, we gotta keep. This is just to make sure it's on. Now, keyboard and mouse.
Keyboard.
For all your keyboard and mouse needs. That's getting thermal paste everywhere. We need a more
RAM.
sturdy mechanism. We need more RAM to hold it in. Or like...
Get like a smaller... there we go.
Perfect. This is... So, this adds flavor too, so like, feel free to add whatever mounting system you want. Oh, it's gonna get mad. I need to plug this into the CPU cooler spot. So the RPM of this fan...
determines
the
heat.
temperature. If it's like revving, you have a little too much heat, so you might want to back off the malware. So now we just turn it on. Come on, please work.
Hey.
And let's hope it has a signal.
Hey.
Hey, look what's booting.
We've got BIOS.
Actually, let me just do this the old-fashioned way.
CPU fan failure with the spoon exclamation mark. Fair enough.
Wait, hold on. Let me add another fan. We have RGB fans here.
Start Windows normally.
This adds frame rate. So now
it detects that
this
Windows
is officially
crashed.
a gaming PC. We don't want that blowing on. We want this to be as hot as possible. Ow!
Starting Windows. Windows 7. Nasty.
I feel like we should do this bare. Like, the tin can is not going to work.
It'll work fine.
Ooh! Okay, yeah, that's fine.
It'll work.
Starting Windows.
RGB.
RGB, more like B. We're in Windows. Okay, is the Minecraft sticked out, or should we go